in all machinery, the AI technology is going to drive better decisions for the consumers, right? So if you can take user error out of the equation, or at least eliminate it, or at least decrease it a bit, ultimately you're going to have better decisions, you're going to have less mistakes, you're going to have better profitability. So from the floor all the way to the front office, there's a lot of quoting programs now that are using AI. I mean, HR departments are writing job descriptions. So really it's already here. It's already affecting our business, and I feel it's only going to grow. So I don't know, I think from when you walk in the door till you get to the facility, till the parts get put on a truck, AI is going to be involved in all of it. I mean, we're really excited for FabTech 2025 in Chicago this year. It's the largest booth Mitsubishi have ever exhibited at any FabTech show. We have a lot of new technology from blank to bend. So we're going to have automatic robots picking parts out of laser systems, delivering them to AGVs, driving to multiple different robotic press brakes, to show the audience basically how they can take a sheet of material and profile it, sort it, send it, and form it without any human interaction. So it's a great place to display the technology. Chicago is always one of the best shows for us out of the, FabTech Canada, FabTech Mexico. The new show last year in Orlando was great. We're looking forward for the next show in Orlando as well. But 2025 should be a great year for Mitsubishi at the FabTech show in Chicago. Big booth, a lot of new technology, and we're excited to see all of our customers.